Hello again, fellas. Welcome back to another unboxing on this channel. And yes, this time we're unboxing a FireX FADCM. It's a combination unit, hardwired, and this is the direct successor of the FireX FADCQ, which I also have. I might as well pull it up. Here's the FADCQ I have. It's basically the same, but a different testing sequence, different LEDs, and obviously the logo. So let's get my FADCQ aside, and let's go ahead and unbox this FADCM. There's the wire harness, obviously. There is a manual, and as well as a base. So let's get those out. Alright, nothing else in the box, so let's get that aside. Anchors and screws, which is a shocker because it's hardwired. Here's the mounting base. The manuals, of course. Pretty interesting manual. And wire harness, obviously. Same one as most FireX products. And the dust cover. And here's the alarm itself with the battery pull tab, which I'll just remove, as well as the original battery. The original battery looks pretty good, actually. Do I have my tester around? Yes, I do. Let me check on it. This battery is actually low, so I will not be using that. So, here's the device itself. The date is 2007, November 14. That's actually newer than I thought. I don't know when these were recalled, so yeah, I have no idea when these were recalled, because some of these were recalled because the CO signal would sound like the end of life one on some of them. I'm gonna have to do further research. Alright, so let's go ahead and power this on. Not gonna waste any time. Alright, it just flashed to indicate it's operating. Alright, let's go ahead and test it. And there we go, that is how the FADCM tests. As you saw, both of these LEDs were flashing when it was alarming in smoke, which I find kind of strange because this is the CO LED. But definitely interesting, definitely interesting either way. And obviously there's the AC power LED and a smoke LED. Here's the FADCQ next to the FADCM. Oh, mounting base fell out, I'll just put it aside. Here are the two next to each other. They do look identical, other than the different logo. And on the FADCM, they added the call 911 on the move to fresh air text. And that's interesting. And obviously the two horns are different. This one's the white one, this one's the black one. So I believe the back is not very different. We'll go ahead and look at that. Yeah, the back are quite identical. Yeah, the back of these units are pretty identical. Yeah, definitely interesting. And obviously, they take the same harness. Yeah, definitely pretty interesting. Will there be a dying sound with this unit? Yep, it does a chirp. Kind of strange that this one is not instant push to test. It actually takes a little bit for it to engage. That's kind of interesting. I'm guessing this is a much newer one, so it requires you to hold it for a little bit, just like on a modern first alert unit. But yeah, definitely pretty interesting. Definitely an interesting unit that I got. So I pretty much completed the lineup with these two. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.